Welcome students. Here we are discussing the next topic, which is the last, which you can say it as the last topic, importance of decentralization. As we have studied about the relation among delegation and decentralization in the previous video, now here we are discussing about the decentralization, why it is important. Some of the things are mentioned here, some of the points are mentioned here, which helps us to know the importance, why it is important in management. The first point here you are seeing, develop initiative among subordinates, passing of authority at middle and lower level. When we work in an organization there is a decentralization function, so we see there कि initiative develop होता है किसमें, among subordinates में. How initiative is developed? Initiative is developed when we pass the authority among our subordinates. Now see here what it is written, shows the trust and faith of top level in their subordinates, and this trust and faith motivate the employees working at different levels. When the authority is passed, as in decentralization we have studied that authority is at the all level managers, authority is having with the all level managers, so there is a feeling of trust and faith among them also. So top level managers show that trust and faith, and when the employees are working at different levels, they are allowed to take decisions without seeking the approval of superiors. They do not have to take any of the permission from their superiors. They have to take their own decisions. Why? Because they are already having the authority. It helps us to develop initiative among the subordinates. Second one is develop managerial talent for future. When in decentralization, managers working as lower and middle level also learn the art of making decisions. How they learn? वो लर्न ऐसे करते हैं क्योंकि उनको अथॉरिटी दी जाती है, एंड व्हेन दे टेक डिसीजन दे लर्न देयर आर्ट, दे बिकम आर्टिस्टिक. द मैनेजर्स ऑफ मिडिल एंड लोअर लेवल बिकम आर्टिस्टिक, बिकम क्रिएटिव. दे गेट द एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ परफॉर्मिंग एक्टिविटीज़ ऑफ टॉप एग्जीक्यूटिव्स एंड लर्न टू मैनेज द अथॉरिटी गिवन टू देम. यानी टॉप लेवल मैनेजमेंट किस तरीके से अपनी एक्टिविटीज़ को कंट्रोल करता है, डिसीजंस लेता है और अपनी अथॉरिटी को कैसे मैनेज करना है, दे ऑल्सो लर्न. सो डिसेंट्रलाइजेशन प्रोसेस प्रिपेयर्स द मैनेजर्स वर्किंग एट लोअर एंड मिडिल लेवल टू परफॉर्म द टास्क ऑफ टॉप लेवल. ऑब्वियसली जब उनको हम अथॉरिटी देंगे तो वो टॉप लेवल के टास्क को बहुत ही अच्छे से परफॉर्म करेंगे. सो वेन एवर देयर इज़ अ वैकेंट जॉब पोजिशन एट टॉप लेवल मैनेजमेंट, जब भी वैकेंट जॉब पोजिशन हो यानी वैकेंसी हो एट द टॉप लेवल मैनेजमेंट, एंड हमको कोई ऐसा पर्सन नहीं मिल रहा है कि हम किसी पर्सन को वहाँ हायर कर पाएँ, सो इन दैट केस द पर्सन्स हु आर वर्किंग एट लोअर और मिडिल लेवल दे कैन बी प्रमोटेड. दिस इज़ हाउ इट लेवल्स टैलेंट फॉर फ्यूचर. इसी तरीके से जो मिडिल और लोअर लेवल के पर्सन्स दे आर वर्किंग, उनके फ्यूचर को डेवलप करता है, उनका पर्सनल डेवलपमेंट होता है. थर्ड वन इज़ क्विक डिसीजन मेकिंग. डिसेंट्रलाइजेशन प्रोसेस में डिसीजन इज़ नॉट रिस्ट्रिक्टेड इन फ्यू हैंड्स. वाई? बिकॉज अथॉरिटी इज़ टू द ऑल लेवल्स. तो डिसीजन जो है वो रिस्ट्रिक्टेड नहीं है. डिसीजन मेकिंग पावर जो है दैट इज़ विद ऑल द लेवल्स. दिस लीड्स टू फास्टर डिसीजन. इसी वजह से डिसीजन फास्टर लिया जाता है क्योंकि एम्प्लॉयज़ जो एक्टिविटीज़ परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं, दे देमसेल्व्स हैव टू परफॉर्म द एक्टिविटीज़ एंड दे देमसेल्व्स हैव ऑल्सो टू टेक द डिसीजन regarding any important or internal matter of the company. So decision is taken fast. Next is relief to top level management. In the process of decentralization we see that the managers are not overburdened. The top level managers, we are talking about the top level, because they pass their authorities and responsibilities to the middle and lower level. So top level management is free to decide. They become free to concentrate on core and important issues, the issues which are very necessary, The top level managers only pay attention to that issues and the rest they share with their middle and lower level managers. The next point here we are talking about is facilitates growth. Decentralization grants more autonomy. Autonomy here means freedom to work. So decentralization here we see that it grants freedom to lower level. This helps the subordinates to do the work in the manner best suited for their department. वो अपनी skills को, अपनी creativity को use करके best manner choose करेंगे which is best suited for their department. जब अपना department उनका they are doing their best and when the productivity increases and it will generate more revenue which can be used for expansion. ऑब्वियसली जब रेवेन्यू जनरेट होती है तो हम अपने बिजनेस को एक्सपैंड करते हैं, हम अपनी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को एक्सपैंड करते हैं एंड सेम इज़ हेयर. द लास्ट इम्पॉर्टेंस इज़ बेटर कंट्रोल. डिसेंट्रलाइजेशन में व्हेन एम्प्लॉयज़ आर वर्किंग एट डिफरेंट लेवल्स they take their own decisions because they are having the authority and they are personally accountable. यानी they are personally accountable means we have studied about the accountability कि they have to be answerable for not being their work done. So they are personally accountable for their decisions, so they cannot pass the blame to their superiors. तो वो superiors को blame नहीं कर सकते हैं. Decentralization से there can be better controlled through scorecard यानी किसका स्कोर ज़्यादा है. Management information system. Many ways are there through which we can control our organization. So these are the points regarding the importance of decentralization. Study them and if you face any doubt we are going to discuss in Zoom class. Now let us study the last topic, that is conclusion. As a conclusion, it must be noted that in spite of its benefits, decentralization should be applied with caution. Caution यानी we have to take proper precautions while applying decentralization. We have to take proper care as it can lead to disintegration of organization. इससे हमारी organization जो है disintegrate हो सकती है. Disintegrate यानी इसमें जो activities perform की जा रही हैं कहीं ना कहीं clash हो सकता है. There may be fights among the employees. So we have to take proper caution and care. If departments start operating on their own guidelines, अगर अपने guidelines से department operate होने लगे which may be contrary to the interest of the organization, जो कि organization के लिए contrary है, means it may bring negative results also. So a last line which is given here is, which is very important, we have to balance these two terms, centralization and decentralization. It is very necessary to balance these two terms in the areas of major policy decisions. जहाँ पे हमें अपनी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के इम्पॉर्टेंट डिसीजंस लेने पड़ते हैं तो वहाँ पे हमें इन दोनों को इक्वल करके चलना है. आई होप यू ऑल गॉट क्लियर्ड. नाउ रीड द डिफरेंस अमंग दिस डेलीगेशन एंड डिसेंट्रलाइजेशन and the last topic which is given is the difference between centralization and decentralization. If you face any problem we are going to discuss in Zoom class. Thank you so much.